What's up, everyone? My name is Landon Cassell. I study sociology and political science at Vassar College. We are going to Bratislava, Slovakia for a day trip, and we are so excited for it. Okay, guys, we're on the train now. Right here, it's about an hour train ride. You want to say? And we are going to be doing a city tour. We're having a group lunch. And we are going to be analyzing what Slovakia is like as a post-communist state. Okay, right now we have about 2 hours just to wander around, and we are at this street food fair that's going on right now. Here's Nina, and it's raining, which is quite unfortunate, but we're gonna grab a little sweet treat. Okay, we got question number 1. So Vienna is in a great spot, so I am going tomorrow to Brno, Czechia, then on Sunday, Krakow, Poland, and then Monday, Tuesday to Malta before back to Belgrade. You know, I think just overall, just how interactive this program is, whether it's meeting with the EU delegation at Serbia or the excursion that we're on going to Budapest, Vienna, Bratislava, everything that brings us outside the classroom, it is very insightful, and it brings us a whole different perspective than we otherwise would have ever gotten. Shout out to Ryan Mello-Colin for this question, prospective SIT student. So staying connected with your family and friends who are overseas back in the US is very important, because at times, you know, if it's your first ever abroad experience, it can feel isolating at times. So making sure you set up times to text and call them. But at SIT, it is such a group that forms a strong community that I always feel connected. I don't need to lower it. I am being very passionate for my answer.
Alright,
so
take 2.
That was actually a third.
Okay, so just make sure that you're always in contact with friends and family, because those are your real support system. I would say my number 1 value, friends and family. My hopes is that this abroad experience will give me a broader perspective of geopolitics, and then my biggest dream to visit all 197 states as in countries. You know, if your favorite person is not yourself, then do you really have self-love? But honestly, my favorite person is whoever will give me the window, because I'm not in the window seat right now, unfortunately. I'm going to amend this question a little bit to earliest memory relating to Serbia, because that's where we're studying, and it has to do with Novak Djokovic. He has been my favorite tennis player since I was a small little child, and he is actually one of the main reasons why I became very interested in Serbia. But also, the fall of Yugoslavia is so interesting. It's something that we don't get the opportunity to study in the United States, so being here on the ground, it gives you a whole different perspective. I'll say that I was most disappointed when the waiter said to me, "Dobro došli," which means welcome, and I said "Dobro došli" back to him, which that is a quite an embarrassing moment. My Serbian classes did not go well.